What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Tech Unafraid. I'm Diego, and here in this channel, we fear no tech. We talk about all things tech and everything in between. Today we're going to be talking about protection. So if you got your brand new iPhone SE and you're looking to slap a case on it, the folks over at RhinoShield have you covered. They sent over some cases for me to review, take a look at it, see what I felt about it, and I want to share with you some of those cases I have and see if something sparks your eye so that you can put it on your brand new iPhone SE. So right out of the bat, I want to share that these cases are not your typical, just flimsy cases that you get anywhere you go. So these guys are built to last. They are thick, and they do provide the protection that you would expect from a good phone case. What I do like about them though is that the buttons don't feel flush. They don't feel just like you can, move your finger over and press it accidentally. You get that good traction and friction when you're pressing down on a button. So that's really nice. One of the things I really like about these cases is that you can kind of like pop out the buttons and you can kind of customize whichever way you want. So if you want a black case with some yellow buttons, you can do that. And it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just pop these buttons back on the case and then there you go. You're gonna have kind of like this modularize your own custom case with the colors that you like and the way that you want. Another thing I noticed is that these cases are not only sturdy, but they have this this kind of outer shell on the side that really protects your phone, against like a drop or something like that. So which also makes them very hard to get it off your phone. So if you're somebody that wants to pop your case out every time, it's not gonna come off too easily. So, but I have noticed that once they're on the phone, they're nice and snug. You don't have any wiggle, you don't have anything that feels flimsy or like your phone is gonna pop out of the case like I've seen or have experienced in the past. So I actually really enjoyed that aspect of it. Once it's on there, you get that unibody really feeling. Things are not gonna move, they're not gonna pop out of place, and you're not gonna really, if you drop the phone, you're not gonna really worry about whether your phone is gonna break or not. I want to share with you all on the screen right now some of the cases I really enjoyed from the ones that I received. There is just a ton of options out there. So if you're interested, I'm sure that you can find something that you like and something that really matches your style. So there's some really cool kind of wooden look ones that are more modern, and I really enjoyed that. And then there's also a few other types where you can, pop the back or do some, make it a modular case where you can add things to it. You can change the color of the button, change the color of the bumper, change the back plate, which is really cool. So you can mix and match and really get the type of case that you're looking for when it comes to these cases from RhinoShield. So there's also, as you look at these cases, you can see some branding here on the side. There is some branding on the inside, but you can't really see it. Most of these have this, kind of carved out RhinoShield on the side. I think it's really cool. From a weight perspective, these are extremely light from the type of protection that you're getting on these cases. So if you're somebody that's worried about making your phone bulky or heavy, you don't have that worry on these. They are light, but they're also very, heavy duty, you could say. They're not gonna just break or bend if you drop it, or if you put it in your pocket and you sit on it the wrong way. These are definitely like pretty sturdy cases, as you can see. I actually have to put some force in order to like bend them if I really wanted to break them. They're not your typical like flimsy case that you get it everywhere else. So big thumbs up for them on this. I really enjoy how strong these are. And here on the screen, you can see some of my favorite combinations for these cases. I do like the ones that you can replace the back plate quite a bit. They do add this kind of really kind of modern look to the case and the phone. So I'm sure that there's tons of options out there that's gonna match your like, that's gonna match your style. And if you don't find something, you can always make something. So there's lots of customization aspect that RhinoShield provides, and I'm sure that you're gonna find something out there that fits your style. As I mentioned before, they sent out some cases and they've partnered with me on this video, allowing you to go to their website at rhinoshield.com, place your order, and use the code UNAFRAID for a 10% discount on your order. So if you're interested in getting any of these cases, or you want to get cases for your iPhone 13 Pro Max or anything else that they have on their website, just use the UNAFRAID code for 10% discount. I'm gonna leave a playlist right here on the side where you can check out more of my videos and get involved with the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. Also, I want to thank you for watching, and I'm gonna catch you all on the next one. See ya.